They have this super clamp mount. So if you like the idea of having a clamp mount, but you also want that high strength aluminum alloy, yeah, this is what you're gonna want. This is a really solid clamp mount where you can clamp this thing around a pole, your handlebars. It also has nice padding underneath it just to make sure you don't like scratch it up. And when it's around it and you tighten it with your hands, you use this little tool that it came with, and that fits right around it, and you can even tighten it just more than what your fingers can do. And it's on there strong. It is on there. This also has that single wing nut where you can loosen it and get that angle, or loosen it a little bit more. That way you can adjust it, swivel it around, and get exactly the angle that you're looking for. And above that you have the quarter thread mount for your cameras, but also again you can put the CapLock system on there, and there's a dial to tighten it even more, just getting it really tight, really secure. This is one of the best and strongest crab claw mount or super clamp mount that I've seen.
Now, right.